Hi folks, Smoothies here again, and in this video we are going to talk about the potential health benefits of olive oil, because the olive oil, if you use it in your daily or weekly diet, will positively impact your overall health. Whether we are talking about heart health, we are talking about dementia prevention, we are talking about bone health, we are talking about weight loss, digestion, also bone health. So the virgin olive oil has many positive benefits if you use it on daily or weekly basis as a part of your diet, whether we are talking about keto diet or other kind of diet. In this video, which you will see now, and I put together for you, we will take a closer look how you can use olive oil and why you should use it. So I used AI to generate value-rich content, but it's going to be very educational. I do promise to you. So watch it, enjoy it, and learn from it. Thanks.
Olive oil, often praised for its rich flavor and culinary versatility, has been celebrated for centuries not just as a delicious ingredient, but as a potent elixir of health. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of olive oil's healing powers and discover how it can boost your health in multiple ways, you're in for an enlightening journey. Derived from the fruit of the olive tree, this oil is packed with bioactive compounds that contribute to its healing properties. From supporting cardiovascular health to reducing inflammation and improving skin conditions, olive oil is much more than a mere cooking ingredient, it's a health-boosting powerhouse. One of the most well-documented benefits of olive oil is its positive impact on cardiovascular health. The ketogenic diet, which prominently features olive oil, is renowned for its heart-protective properties. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid. This type of fat is known to help reduce levels of low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, which is often referred to as bad cholesterol. High levels low-density lipoprotein cholesterol can lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you can help maintain healthier cholesterol levels, reducing your risk of heart attacks and strokes. The benefits of olive oil extend to the digestive system as well. Its consumption can positively impact gut health and improve digestion in several ways. Olive oil acts as a mild laxative, which can aid in preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Additionally, the healthy fats in olive oil can stimulate the production of bile, which aids in the digestion of fats and enhances overall digestive function. Olive oil is known to promote feelings of fullness and satiety. The healthy fats it contains slow down the digestion process, helping you feel satisfied for longer periods. This can reduce overall calorie intake and help with weight management. Additionally, olive oil may boost metabolism, aiding in the more efficient breakdown of fats and contributing to a healthier body composition. Unlike processed fats and oils, olive oil is a source of healthy fats that can be part of a balanced diet. Replacing less healthy fats with olive oil can help you manage your fat intake more effectively, supporting your weight management goals while still enjoying flavorful meals. Olive oil's benefits extend to the skin, where it can contribute to a glowing complexion and overall skin health. The vitamin E and fatty acids in olive oil provide deep hydration and nourishment to the skin. Vitamin E is known for its antioxidant properties, which help protect the skin from oxidative damage caused by environmental factors like UV rays and pollution. Regular application of olive oil can help maintain skin moisture, reduce dryness, and improve overall skin texture. Olive oil's antioxidants also play a role in combating signs of aging. By neutralizing free radicals, olive oil can help prevent premature aging of the skin. The presence of polyphenols and other compounds supports skin elasticity and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Consuming olive oil as part of a healthy diet, in addition to applying it topically, can contribute to a more youthful and radiant complexion. Emerging evidence suggests that olive oil may also benefit mental health and cognitive function. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in olive oil have been linked to a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Studies have shown that the Mediterranean diet, which includes olive oil, is associated with better cognitive function and a lower incidence of cognitive decline in older adults. The polyphenols in olive oil may help protect brain cells from oxidative damage and inflammation, supporting overall brain health. Olive oil's healthy fats can also influence mood and mental well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in some types of olive oil, have been shown to support brain function and mood regulation. Consuming olive oil as part of a balanced diet can contribute to improved mental clarity and emotional stability. Olive oil's potential role in cancer prevention is an area of ongoing research, but there is promising evidence to support its protective effects. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in olive oil play a crucial role in reducing cancer risk. By neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation, olive oil may help protect cells from damage that can lead to cancerous growths. The polyphenols in olive oil, such as hydroxytyrosol, have been shown to have anti-cancer effects in laboratory studies, suggesting that regular consumption of olive oil may contribute to a lower risk of certain cancers. Incorporating olive oil into your diet can also support overall health, creating a foundation for a robust immune system and a lower risk of chronic diseases. A well-balanced diet that includes olive oil, along with other nutrient-rich foods, can help maintain a healthy weight, support cardiovascular health, and enhance overall well-being, all of which contribute to cancer prevention. Now that you're aware of the numerous health benefits of olive oil, you might be wondering how to incorporate it into your diet effectively. Here are some practical tips. For the maximum health benefits, opt for extra virgin olive oil. This type of olive oil is minimally processed and retains the highest levels of antioxidants and polyphenols. Look for oils that are labeled as extra virgin, and check for freshness by reviewing the harvest date on the label. Extra virgin olive oil makes an excellent base for homemade salad dressings and marinades. Combine it with vinegar or lemon juice, herbs, and spices to create flavorful and healthful dressings that enhance the nutritional value of your salads and other dishes. While olive oil has a lower smoke point compared to some other oils, it is still suitable for most cooking methods, including sautéing and baking. For higher heat cooking, choose light olive oil, which has a higher smoke point than extra virgin olive oil. Avoid using olive oil for deep frying, as it is not ideal for very high temperatures. Drizzling a bit of extra virgin olive oil over cooked vegetables, grains, or even soups can enhance flavor and provide additional health benefits. This method allows you to enjoy the rich taste of olive oil while reaping its nutritional rewards. For a nutritional boost, consider adding a teaspoon of olive oil to your smoothies. This can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and add a subtle richness to your drink. Unlocking the healing secrets of olive oil can significantly enhance your overall health and well-being. From supporting cardiovascular health and reducing inflammation to improving digestion and skin health, the benefits of olive oil are far-reaching. I hope I could provide a few key tips of how you can use olive oil to improve your overall health, and please do not forget to subscribe if you want to learn more tips about healthier eating and healthier living.